2026 Denago MX1. This is the orange edition. 110 semi-automatic electric start and kickstart dirt bike. This bike has inverted front forks, hydraulic disc brakes front and rear. It's got an upgraded gold chain on it, factory. Colored matching chain adjusters. Colored matching shifter, stator caps there. It's got the color matching power coated frame. You come up here, it's got color matching grips, CNC'd brake reservoir cap colored, foldable brake lever. There's your ignition, color matching gas vent. Your throttle cable set up there, your electric start kill switch there. Come down and over here. There's your backup Kickstarter, foot brake. Even got the color matching CNC'd on the rear brake master cylinder there. Got adjustable rear shock on it. Carbon fiber tip. 27.5-inch seat height. This is a great beginner bike. Also has a throttle governor. These bikes come factory with a parts and labor warranty. Come check it out today at East Central Sports, Rush City, Minnesota.